Well, good afternoon and welcome to Ellingson Motorcars in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to look at one of our latest acquisitions here on our sales room floor, a 1958 Ford Custom 300. Not quite stock, but boy, it has some really nice features I'm going to tell you about. Well, good afternoon and welcome to Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we are going to explain and show you a little bit of details about one of our newest acquisitions, a 1958 Ford Custom 300 two-door. To be honest, for whatever reason, the 27 years we've been here, I've only had 3 58 Fords. I don't understand why, but they are really few and far between, and especially one this nice. This car definitely is not from the Minnesota area because the underside is absolutely beautiful. You can visit our website to look at those pictures as well as the information that I'm going to give you by talking about the car today. Basically what it is kind of what we would call a Restomod car, in that it's not its original color by any stretch of the imagination. Base coat, clear coat with the pearlescence white with the custom red finish. A very, very sharp looking car in the right two-tone venue as they would have come in 1958. Nice chrome work was done on the car. Upgrades to the engine was that this actually has a 1960s 390 in it, which was not available in 58, but it currently does have a 390. You will be able to look at that and actually hear it run in our video as well. They've added some nice upgrades from power steering, brakes, and they've even added air conditioning. If you take a closer look at the car, it has got lots of custom features. It's got a tilt steering column. You got aftermarket gauges that keeps you abreast as to what's going on with the engine and all that stuff. The interior is really neat. They've got the Ford logos in the seats themselves. Just very, very well done. And it's something you just don't see every day. If you want something that not everyone has, this would be a great example. You know, of course, the radial tires with the American Racing wheels adds that very distinctive look as well. Dual exhaust. The nice thing that all this anodized gold trim is in very nice condition, as well as all the stainless and the bumpers as well. Lots of room in the trunk on a 1958 Ford. Yeah, it's just one of those cars, if you want something that not everybody else has, this is one we have right here. So you can see it in person in Rogers, Minnesota on our showroom floor, our 100 car plus showroom. Right now we are open Monday through Saturday from 10 until 5. Come and take a look. Even in the middle of winter, if it is winter where you're at, it's winter here, but you know what? Inside our showroom, it's nice and warm. You can also find us on our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube channels. We have lots of our cars out there. We have everything from the Restomod 50s cars to classics to bone stock original cars. So if you're in the market for any kind of collectible classic car, visit us here at Ellingson Motorcars in Rogers, Minnesota.